What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda. I want to know, how heavy duty are heavy duty fingernail clippers? I know it's something that we've all pondered over the years. So I picked these up. They're by Kohm. They are a wide jaw, curved blade, heavy duty clippers. You know, they might be used for maybe toenails more specifically. So I'm going to do a little test here and just see how strong these things are, because, you know, hey, toenails are thicker than fingernail clippers. So what I have here is, it's kind of interesting. They're almost like pliers. Look at that. You've got the two sharpened blades, but as opposed to having a regular set of fingernail clippers, and I just bought this set here by, I guess it's Fixed Body. Oh, look at this. I'll put links to both of these in the description if you decide that you need one or the other. Comes in this little pleather-like pouch, and it looks like we get a whole set of stuff here. A nail file, a small set of clippers. I like how they're black colored here. This is kind of a typical size clippers as far as I know. And then these are larger. Wow, look how big these are. These are probably your typical like toenail clipper type of thing. And you can see here that these are just bigger. I'm assuming this is supposed to be a spring. It's probably supposed to be up there. There we go. There we go. And you can see maybe how much bigger they are. Not only do they have larger, wider, and more curved blades, but this is like a serious piece of kit. All right, so first of all, I have this. It's a plastic keychain tag, and I have a feeling, you know, it's like credit cards. I have a feeling that this is gonna be able to cut through this stuff pretty easily. So I'm just gonna take off the corner here with the regular fingernail clipper. As you can see here, we get a pretty decent cut. Now if I take the toenail clippers that come in the other package and I take I'm gonna try to get as much of the blade coverage as possible, just because when there's more surface area, it really tests it. So I'm gonna cut it. Ooh, there, flung that off. It's a pretty good clean cut. If I were to take the same cut here, let's go to this corner and take the full edge of the blade. Wow. You know what? It didn't fling it as far, and I will tell you, I just didn't have to use as much leverage. Like, I kind of had to squeeze these, and even the arms seem pretty standard sized. I mean, seem pretty similar. If I get on here, yeah, that's pretty easy. If I use this one, grab this corner here. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm not squeezing down quite as far on this end, but you just have to press this harder. So I'm not sure if the teeth are sharper on this or if it's the curved that kind of distributes the force better. I do like the fact that this looks like a real tool here, but this thing works great. I'm kind of surprised. I'm really kind of surprised. Hey, this is a pretty good set here with all of these pieces, that's for sure. And this was only a few bucks. And then this thing was like $6.99. So if you really want a serious set of clippers, or a serious pair of clippers, I guess, I would definitely recommend checking this out. This thing works pretty amazing. And then put it like this and fold it and take it with you. Link is in the description below. Peter from Panda, out.